What up, YouTube? It's your boy Josh back again, doing another video here. We got some good stuff going on today in preparation for another track day. It's this coming Friday at the Ridge again. It's another HOD event, going with some of my friends, doing a little oil change here because it's a need, and got a new CTSV Blackwing brake duct kit on the front that I'll be putting on, and doing a little bit of a brake bleed with the endless RF here, trying to get that taken care of. It doesn't need to really be bled, but I'm trying to be safe. But yeah, we'll show you here in a second. All right, as you can see, I got the car fully jacked up. Definitely got these up on the jack stands as well as on the jack points. Z01 add-on lift points, got all the wheels off. We'll be doing a little bit of bleed on these just to kind of get rid of the leftover fluid I have. But here you can see the stock brake ducts on the 1LE. Gonna be going to the CTSV Blackwings. Here is one of the part numbers, and here's the other part number as well. Amazon has these on stock, and all the guys on the forum have been posting about them. We kind of give you a little feeling, so you can kind of see there is a freaking massive difference. These will hang down a little bit lower from what I've been reading on the forum, but pretty excited to get these going. As you can see, just finishing up the oil draining here. I think you're supposed to do this like every 3 track events I was reading. Someone said on the forum, so I'd rather be safe than sorry. But yeah, we'll get these ones off and show you what it looks like. All right, as you can see, to get these CT5 V Blackwing brake ducts on, not CTS, I correct myself, apologize. These are 7 mil. So as you can see, I already started working out. We're gonna get these 3 off. And once we get those off, I'll show you the next step, but nothing too crazy. Obviously, you can use a little impact if you want to or something. Quick drill to zip them off, or you can go manual, whatever you feel comfortable. All right, as you can see, we got those off. We definitely got to get the mag sensor moved over to the CT5 Blackwing brake duct. And as you can see, it doesn't come pre-drilled, so we're gonna have to go ahead and pre-drill that. From previous videos, you can hear that individuals have been using a 7/32 to drill up here in this section here, 2 holes, and then you can go ahead and transfer the mag right sensor onto this. Nothing too crazy. Just make sure you have a drill bit and got a drill and you can knock it out. All right, about to do a little bit of bleed here. Just want to use the last bit of my fluid. Definitely recommend getting this here. It's pretty sweet. It's got a cool magnet. I'm sure you've probably seen the YouTube video by the other gentleman who's done it. This just attaches. Obviously, those who have not done this, the order is going to be the right rear, then the left front, then the left rear, and then you go back to your right front, starting from the inside, removing the caps, these guys right here, which look like this when they're off, and then you're doing the outside. So inside, then outside. Again, you're going to do right rear, left front, left rear, and then right front. Make sure you take the brake fluid cap off, and I always recommend having some brake cleaner. You don't want this stuff to run off on the actual calipers here, the pistons. They're gonna go ahead and probably lose some paint if you don't clean that off. Cool trick is like using a toothpick as well, and then just kind of stick it in here, and then that'll get up all the fluid. All right, day 2 of this. Got the old pads out. Pretty easy. You just need a punch tool. You're gonna punch this top one, this bottom one, and then this is a 1/2 inch on the back. I'm using a 13 mil to get this off the centerpiece that goes right through here, the bolt. Once it's out, you can get the pads out. They're definitely pretty darn low. As you can see, I'm running the Hawk ER1s. Huge difference on how much life's on there. So these fronts were definitely shot. I'm glad I'm swapping them out. Just need to go ahead and compress these pistons so I can get these to slide in, and then add the shims and some lube, and we should be good to go. All right, just open the box for the titanium shims. Shout out Strano Performance Parts. Definitely check them out if you haven't. Pretty excited about these. We got the fronts and we got the rears. Obviously the bigger ones are the fronts, but check them out. That's the part number we went with. Pretty excited about these. More to come. All right, I just finished getting the pads on for the fronts. Just took off the 1LE brake duct. As you can see, there's 3 screws there, and then there is the sensor, and you have to drill out on the CT5 Blackwing brake duct. Here's the stock one, and here's the new one. You can see there is a huge difference. Again, these just go right here, screw those in, and then the sensor is gonna go up on top there. All right, got them on. As you can see, tightly screwed. And then the magnet sensor just goes right on there. And there's 2 sections. Again, they just push in. Nothing's in the way. Good clearance. That's still tied down there. And we just gotta seat these, bed these pads. All right, doing the rears. These just have 2 punches. You have one here, here. Punch it out. Then you have that. Then you're gonna go ahead and just kind of compress the pistons a little bit, and you get the pads out. They slide out really easily. These are still decent, but obviously since I'm swapping over to the Hockey R1s, it's going those all the way around. Just about to put these in. All right, just finishing up. Just finished the left rear. Just got to get this last tire on and then go get these bedded. Weird thing is the GiroDisc, if I said that correctly, titanium shims didn't fit on these. I'm not sure if I have to cut them, but I'm gonna reach out to Strano and see what he says. I'm assuming I probably have to cut them, but he said these are for the vehicle. So a little weird, but it's all good. Figure it out. So on track today, you can see the new CT5 Blackwings. They don't hang too low. They look good. Excited to see what they do. Stay tuned.